Hi everybody, Julie the Whippy Chick, and I am back with day eight of my 31-day series of yarn organization and storage ideas. So this one is not a storage idea, but it is definitely an organization idea, especially if you're working on something with color work. And I'm thinking something like a mosaic blanket or project, or something like a corner to corner Graphghan, that sort of thing, where you're doing a lot of color changes. So this takes each cake of yarn, so you get like 3 or 4 of them, and you stab them with a knitting needle, and you put them into a basket. And the needle, or you could do something else like a dowel, that's going to hold them into place. And so they can unravel, but you know, not be all over the floor in a mess. So hopefully the picture that I'm showing you illustrates what I'm trying to say a little bit better than I'm saying it. I think this is a great idea. I really do. The one thing I would change about this idea is that I would feed the individual strands through the holes of the basket rather than having them drape on the top. But I've never tried this idea, so maybe there's a reason why this person chose to do it this way. Let me know if this is an idea that you've seen before, or if it's something that you'd consider trying. I think it's a great idea, and I think I might have to give it a try the next time I'm doing some color work. All right, everybody, I'll see you tomorrow for another great tip. Tip number 9 is tomorrow. See you soon.